In the first degree, the lodge is regular and duly constituted. In the second degree, it is just and legal. And in the third degree, the lodge is true and perfect. But what does this actually mean? Interestingly, the emphasis in the first two degrees, regular, duly constituted, just and legal, is on whether the lodges were recognized and chartered by the Grand Lodge, which in Freemasonry is known as regularity, as explained in Chris Hafner's book, Regularity of Origin. The change came in June 1721, when the Premier Grand Lodge of England required all regular lodges to have a charter issued by Grand Lodge, which was to stop the proliferation of clandestine lodges. The Mason is perfected in the third degree. We see this for the first time in the exposé called Masonry Dissected from 1730 by Samuel Pritchard. But in the first constitutions of Freemasons of 1723, Hiram is just a footnote, and the two-degree ritual was still being performed. Chevalier William Ramsay said in his oration in Paris in 1737, now called Ramsay's Discourse, that there were three classes of brethren, namely the novice or apprentice, the companion or professed, and the master or the perfected. He continues saying, we explain the moral virtues to the first, to the second the heroic virtues, and to the last the Christian virtues. Ramsay had joined the Horn Lodge 7 years earlier in 1730, so it is strange he would use different terminology from the accepted, entered apprentice, fellow craft, and master mason. We can see that older rituals were researched when the third degree was written. For example, in the Edinburgh Register of 1696, the candidate is asked what makes a true and perfect lodge. The answer was 7 masters, 5 entered apprentices. Regular, duly constituted, just and legal shows the divide between the original two-degree ritual and the third degree that was added sometime between 1723 and 1730. Then the phrase true and perfect was added to the newly written third degree. Thank you.